Good afternoon, everybody. Happy Friday. I want to unbox, okay, a beautiful jewelry that I actually ordered for myself as a birthday gift. And I got it today. And this is from James Avery, okay? We got it here. And we have the other one. It came perfectly to my home. And let's unboxing. I'm excited. Okay, so let's unboxing. Here we are. And just as a reference, this is a brand that is from Texas, okay? And obviously it has been evolved over the decades, but now we are unboxing here and let's see which one I received. So guys, I ordered 2 rings, one in silver and one in gold. So this is the silver, and look at how incredible. It's heavy, it's luxe, okay? I don't use too much silver and I love gold, okay? But I said, you know what, let me see here. So let me see, I don't even remember for what, but this is how it looks like. Look at that, it's so beautiful. And I still, I had to take it off. Here we are, the sticker, right, with the size. So this is the silver, guys. Look at this. I can't even tell you how beautiful this is looking in person. This is how it looks like, guys. And this is beautiful. And this is how it looks like inside. And that's it. This is the silver one, okay? So if you have seen all the girlies that are from Texas with all the bracelets and the charms, that's from that brand. We have the second one. This one's the gold, okay? I'm not gonna tell you the price because it's full gold, okay? And this is how it comes in this bag, okay? Again, and this is how it comes, okay? James Avery in this box, okay? This one's the gold one. And let's unbox with you guys. Okay, how do I unbox this? Stuck! What's going on here? Oh my God, please stop. It's stuck. It's stuck. Oh my God, this definitely is not gonna, oh my God, finally, okay. So that's what it looks like. And this is the gold one, right? Look at that, guys. I'm in freaking love. And this is in wood. And this is so beautiful. Let's take the tape. Oh my God, and the gold one, it's just stunning. And this is how it looks like, the gold one. The same concept, guys, but this is, look at this, look at this. They do have gold, okay, pieces. I'm not gonna tell you the price because it's expensive, and it's 14 carats in gold. It is substantial. I freaking love this. Look at this. Look at this guy. Freaking love the gold one. Love this. And of course, I'm gonna put it in their box. Honestly, it doesn't disappoint. If you can buy the pieces online or you can go to a store. I also ordered another one that has stone in 14 karat gold. That's what they do, their pieces in gold. And I cannot wait to arrive, but it takes like 7 weeks because they have to have in my size. So this is how it comes when you buy in gold. Okay, guys? Do I love it, James Avery? Absolutely. I love everything they do. And of course, I'm going to support, businesses that are from Texas. Absolutely. You guys have a great day. Bye. Have a fabulous, fantastic Friday.